SB Gateway School की क्लास 12 पास तौख्रबा छात्र छात्री सिंगी फेलिसाइटेशन सेरेमनी अमा पांगथोकपदा छात्र छात्री सिंग अदुना प्राइज फंगबी मतांग अमा अखोय पुना येंगमिनसी
90 marks subject phangba छात्र सिंग की दमकता अमुक certain token of love and appreciation thamba hai tare ko because these students score more than 90% in certain subjects, in every subject hai tare, in arts, in science, in everything. Aduna first of all, scoring 90% marks and above, I would like to call again a very bright student, Vasudha Mutum, scoring more than 90 marks in our CBSE class 12 examination. Vasudha scored 92 in English. So let's welcome Vasudha. Please. It's not a serial wise or a mark wise. Next, Vasudha Mutum. Yes, the appreciation goes to. Yes, what is the from our group? They have lots of things. Namika Yaiko, then I would like to call Dennis KH. Dennis KH again scoring 92 in English. Amazing performance, guys. I'm proud of you, my students. Again, I believe Dina is absent today. If 3T Moirangtem is present, 3T Moirangtem, scoring again 90 above, that is 91 marks in English. The next student we have is Jennifer Roy. Jennifer Roy again scoring more than 90 marks in our English final classroom examination. And I'm saying the higher the Preeti scored 94 marks. Jennifer scored 94 marks. I'm not balancing the marks by 91, 92. It's just I'm balancing by 90. But Jennifer scored the highest in English this time. So, really, like, they might be very proud. And next, again, we have K. Rukshar. K. Rukshar scoring 90 and above. 90 and above, Rukshar scoring 96 in history. 96 in history. Rukshar say 96 say history as well as in geography also. Geography also, Rukshar say 90 exactly in the 1900 subject anila. Well performed. And next we have again Triti Moirangtim. Again Triti Moirangtim scoring 90 above in history. So Triti Moirangtim again, she scored 90 in history. Well done, Triti. Subject aniniko, Triti ka Rukshar subject aniniko kami ise. Well done. The next student we have is Larnachan Chiru. El Chiru scoring very Christina scoring nice marks, beautiful scoring in history. Chiru scored 96 in history again. Pol science score he scored 91 in pol science again in 2 subjects. Well performed. And next we have Sagolsen Christina. Sagolsen Christina scoring 95 marks in geography. Proud of you, my kids. Christina, And then we have Christina Sikdanatiko. Christina also scored 95 marks in social, 95 marks in geography, and 95 marks in sociology out of 100. Well done, well done. And the next student we have is T.H. Pinky. T.H. Pinky scoring 91 marks in MIL. I hope yes, it's in our yes. Awesome. So far, the 90 above the students Double Muslim the 90 No. Physics topper kita motor, tiba. I believe physics is for
above 90 sa pa. Sabi ko po ato daw kasi na
Hanap sina amuk subject topper ko beko. Sisu amuk subject topper school ke side lagi, they have like this token of appreciation. So scoring well, nasagi subject topper dari English we offer ko. Hanap sina science key subject ko yung topper sage. Scoring well, the highest mark in physics that goes to Numita Yaikong. Please welcome Numita Yaikong. Scoring 82 out of 100 in physics. Hadap sa hiki class 12 ki physics ki subject ki kana Friday ki round ma ko This is given by the school. Sina school dali. Osama to neta ko subira ki ni. Ko kapte sina school na piba. This is from the school site for the subject toppers again. Next, I would like to call Luke Saji. Luke Saji scoring 85 in chemistry. So, the topper in chemistry for this year. Luke Saji scoring 85 in chemistry. Pada kita sigi orang di Luke Saji na apa yang school sigi. Ada tu pun semua hilang kami ko. Ada tu chemistry topper. This is from the school side. This token of appreciation for the school side. And for the subject for biology, I would like to call again a very brilliant student, Wasuda Mutun. Wasuda Mutun scoring 87 out of 100. Lao Wasuda lao. Nasina array mo rin na these days kakapag sa preschool that. Thank you so much. Madam Sini, concerned teacher, magi concern, mago takwi kami, concerned subject teacher na may anak makara, haidi out of love and appreciation, harong man kita napiba hay tare. And this is done by Sir Lamjiba, our physics teacher. First of all, I would like to call our senior teacher, Sir Lamjiba, please, on the stage. And recommended two students, that is Numita Yaikong and Luke Saji once again in the stream of physics, scoring excellent mark. Cash award diko, Osana.
Dana from the doctor in the pension.
That's the cash prize. It's not reviewed by the teacher, but yes, it's a cash prize. Thank you so much. And for our biology stream, our teacher recommended 4 students who are quite brilliant. Numita Yakon once again, next Wasuda Mutum, again Luksati, along with Katrina. Satra Marisibu, sir, and it will be presented by the lovely teacher, Sir James. Taola ko kangan sa akalong.